So this question looks like it's going to be a translate word problem question. I say that just given the length of the question itself. So what I like to do is read a sentence at a time, making sure that I understand that sentence prior to moving on, and writing down any quantitative, or circling at times, any quantitative information as I go. So this question says figure A and figure B are both regular polygons. So very interesting. We're not told what type of polygons they are, but we are told that they're regular, right? So what does it mean to be a regular polygon? It just means that every side of the polygon is equal, right? Or congruent. And every angle is also congruent, okay? So good pause there to make sure I understood what I read before moving on. The sum of the perimeter of figure A and the perimeter of figure B is 63 inches. Well, what does that mean? That means whatever type of polygon I have for figure A plus whatever type of polygon I have for figure B, if I add up the lengths of all of the sides, I should get a total perimeter of 63. Okay, so that's what that means. The next sentence here says the equation 3x plus 6y, I'll just rewrite it, is equal to that 63. Well, that's interesting because I know that somehow this must relate to A and to B. Let's keep reading to see how it relates. Where x is the number of sides of figure A, okay, so let's just pause. If x is the number of sides of figure A, what does 3 have to mean? Right? Remember, this whole equation is about finding the perimeter, which again is just the length of the sides, the sum of the lengths of the sides. And we know that all of the sides have the same length because that's what regular means. So this 3 must mean that every side length is equal to 3 units, right? So 3 unit length for figure A. And I'm assuming that it'll be the same thing for the 6, right? It's a 6 unit, right? And I'm saying unit because we don't know if these are inches, centimeters, it doesn't really matter. But 6 unit length for figure B, okay? And that if we multiply that 3 by the number of sides, we'd get the total perimeter for figure A. And if we multiply 6 by the number of sides in figure B, we'd get the total perimeter for figure B. And all together, that would give us 63. So now I'm pretty sure I have a very great understanding of what this equation means. So now I'm going to keep reading. So where x is the number of sides of figure A and y is the number of sides of figure B, which statement is the best interpretation of 6 in this context? Well, 6 has to be the length of each side of figure B. Really, there's no other option there. So looking at choice A, each side of figure B has a length of 6 inches. Absolutely, yes. There cannot be another answer better than that. Definitely looking down at choices C and D, 6 has nothing to do with figure A, so those are completely gone. And then we know that the number of sides of figure B is y, not 6. So that's why choice B is gone as well. But A is definitely the best answer here.